Yo, D-Gens, we got another special little treat for you here, guys. Absolutely fantastic. I'm always excited to do these, bringing you guys the latest and greatest on JASMY and Onyx Coin every single day, 3 times a day, 2 live streams on top of that, 5 times a day. You got to love it. All right, let's have a look at what's going on. JASMY up 5.3% on the day, down 8.2% on the week, down 16.2% on the month, but up 473% on the year. Something exciting coming up here, guys, is that last February, as we entered February, it's very, very funny because I'm going to show you something on the JASMY chart here. This time last year, right? So here we are in our bullish structure, consolidating for since December 5th. So the beginning of December. So almost 2 months. Okay, almost 2 months. So if we go back in time, look at this. Look at this block right here. I love going back in time, right? Right here. So December, as you can see, we consolidated, right? If we kind of do this, look at the consolidation we had through January, boring, downward action, right? Down and boring. Then, as we zoom back in, or is it back out? What we have here is, where are we today? January 21st, boring, 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 all the way. Started February, boring, 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 nothing, boring, red, everyone. And I remember everyone was asking me the same questions they're asking me now. Is JASMY dead? JASMY, everyone was giving up on it, right? Blah, blah, blah. JASMY, it's not doing anything. The team this, the team that, yada, 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 right? Then what happened? Well, then on February 18th, look at that move. We had a nice spike to the upside, and that spike was, we had a run up of 297% between February 18th and March 3rd. So 2 weeks, 2-week period, 293% move out of nowhere, right? All this here, look at all of this, guys. Months and months and months. Months and months and months. Oh, you can go all the way back. This thing consolidated way back. We're in 2022. Look at all that consolidation, okay? Boom. 290 whatever percent. Spike to the upside. Then, what did we do from there? Well, then we consolidated. Let me get rid of that. Then we consolidated for There's the top. We consolidated from March 3rd until May 30th. Another big consolidation. Followed by another big run up of 99.52% from May 25th to June 6th. Another 2-week period, roughly, give or take, and another massive spike to the upside, right? Then we got into the summer doldrums, June, July, August, right? But back to where we are right now, right? A couple weeks from this point, like 2 weeks from this point, we saw out of nowhere, boom, almost a 300% spike to the upside, guys. Just when everyone thought the project was dead, wasn't going anywhere, blah, blah, blah. Boom, okay? And the attitude in the market right now is almost exactly the same as it was then. So much negativity. Those of you who've been on the channel for longer than a year, you guys remember we were covering it. You can go back and watch my videos at this time frame last year. So much negativity, so much toxicity, people attacking Hara, people attacking the team. all this stuff. Everyone was bitching about getting the white paper out, even though it wasn't due until March. All that stuff, guys, right? So just when you think Jasmy was down and out, boom, 300% spike, like a 2-3 month consolidation followed by another 100% spike, 400% in the course of a couple of months, right? Out of nowhere. So I thought that was fascinating. I thought you guys would really like that. Let's go have a look over at XCN. What is XCN doing? So right now, down 1.8% on the day, up 345% on the week, up 465% on the month, and up an astonishing 906% on the year, guys. Down 10 spots in rank, but still inside the top 200. Wait till we get inside the top 100, guys. It's coming. We're ranked 191 right now, $396.14 million market cap. Volume's a little low, 137.12 million. Now, there's a lot of controversy going on right now with XCN. A lot of speculation on the price. I'm seeing other TA people and stuff talk about it, and the theory is that if we don't break above the 2-cent level soon, then we're going to see a break to the downside instead, right? So if we go over to the 4-hour, this is what we're doing on the 4-hour. We're just consolidating here, right, inside of this bull pennant. My break to the upside's coming, in my opinion, but it's going to take probably another day and a half to 2 days to ping pong here. Now, what we need to see, guys, we have 1 touch on the top, 2 touches on the top. We need a 3rd touch on the top for me, right? Possibly come up, touch, reject, come back down, maybe even touch the bottom of the trend line, you know, retest 1 cent kind of thing. But we may not come all the way down. But once you get that 3rd touch on the top of the trend line, for me, that means we're breaking to the upside. That's what I'm reading. So then what we'll see, possibly we'll see a break to the upside, a retest of the top of the trend line to confirm the breakout, and then we head up, right? That's what I'm waiting for. That could take 2 days. I'm going to say 2 days roughly, because we're on the 4-hour here. So we could ping pong inside of this structure for another 2 days before we start to get, you know, to the climax here, to the apex, right? So that's what I'm watching for here, guys, on XCN. So like I said, some people, the odds are slim that it's going to go down instead of up, but the odds are still there. So, but here's the thing. Going back over to the daily time frame, I've showed you guys this before. Every time we wick below a penny, there is massive buying pressure, right? So, which tells me again that the general consensus in the community or throughout investors in Onyx Coin is that any time it drops below a penny is an optimum buying opportunity, which indicates that they believe that the price is significantly going higher, right? Otherwise, they wouldn't be buying it just below a penny. It's a massive accumulation phase, building a big level of support, which is fantastic, right? Could we come lower? Yeah, of course we could. We could come back down again, maybe 208, 207 even. It's possible. But, I mean, it's not likely at this point. I think we get up over 2 cents. And once we start closing it, we need to close the daily candle above 2 cents. If we can get that done, then it's, I mean, I was watching, I think, Crypto Undead or something, and his theory is that if we close above 2 cents, then it's a straight shot to 10 cents, right? That would be crazy. Now, that's just me telling you what, you know, other TA people are saying would be crazy. I see his point. We're kind of climbing right now, 1 cent, 249. So the goal right now, guys, 2 cents. We got to close the daily candle above 2 cents. Okay. So that's kind of what I'm watching for there. So yeah. Oh yeah. And the news for XCN. That's right. I have more stuff that's exciting, guys. I'm going to show you guys in the live stream. I'll do a separate video about it later for XCN. I'm pretty stoked about it. But here we go. Breaking news. Another new listing for XCN. Caleb and Brown has officially listed XCN Onyx Coin, Onyx DAO, starting trading today. buy, sell, or swap with hundreds of other crypto assets. Boom, new spot listing. You love to see that, guys. Very, very bullish. So let me know what you guys think. And guys, these group video calls, since the Patreon has absolutely exploded, they're getting so busy. It's amazing that I've had to increase it to 2 a day. And everyone's having a blast. Everyone's learning. We did a lot of very important learning surrounding taxes and stuff like that, and what's going on with Trump's tax laws and stuff that are going to be coming into effect. We talked a lot about that kind of stuff over there, guys. But usually we're talking, one of the hot button topics where that a lot of the veterans over on the Patreon are helping with is how to operate hot wallets like Coinbase wallet and stuff like that, to be able to pick up on a lot of the gems that we're pointing out. And I'm excited to say, guys, that not only are we accumulating 2 projects right now that we believe are going to move like XCN did recently, but I dropped the 3rd gem over there this afternoon, and everyone is already mass accumulating it, guys. And I believe it's going to move again, very similar to how XCN is, a very small market cap, massive utility. You don't want to miss out on this stuff. Get over to the Patreon. Join our group video calls. We do them twice a day. You can schedule one-on-one coaching AMEs with me personally as well. And I mean, join the community, guys. Hundreds of people in the last couple of days. We are just exploding with new members over there, guys. The community is absolutely phenomenal. And the feedback I'm getting on this stuff is amazing, because no one's offering what we're offering. The unprecedented access to a community, guys, being able to see and hear and engage with everybody else in the community, having your questions asked and responded to by not only myself, but other veterans in this industry is just next level bullish. So check it out, guys. The link is down below in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.